Moblumena bo sister stock feeling amachita de koni mamkopoze boni na ring emafoni moblumena bo sister stock feeling amachita de koni mamkopoze boni na ring account.
Hi, Tatla Bembe from Rainy Days Funeral Parlor. You're watching Ring Account on Rising Sun TV, channel 504, Star 7.
Welcome back on this lovely show called Ring Account, and this is your boy B Umfanaga Poisons. You watching Ring Account only on Rising Sun TV, channel 544. Today bafethu siphethe yena usifunda wakadladla yena sifunda wakadladla. I know most of you already mazi from ATV. He's been doing a lot of acting work, so bafethu stay tuned if you want to be part of us. If you want us to come to your studio, don't worry bafethu, you catch the number on the screen before the show ends. But in the meantime, hlala nathi sithi ukuhlala phansi nayo sifunda sithi ukuringa ngoba thina uyazi siyaringa bafethu, so stay tuned. Welcome back, Afeti, to this lovely show called Ring Account. And this is your boy B Umfanaga Poisons. Today on the show, Spetayena Usfundo. He's an actor from this new series called Spindisela. He plays the role called Uroni. And we on the ending of our season, Bafeti. This is season 1, episode 11. We give thanks to the Most High. We give thanks to the elders that are watching us, and we give thanks for you guys to stay tuned, to keep on watching this lovely show called Ring Account. But before siyabuhle, I want to introduce uButwam uRoni. Abamazi lo Sifunda. Sifunda kanjani mfowethu?
Ngiyaphila mfundisi.
Ngiyaphila kaButwam. No, I see you on screens.
Yeah, we're trying.
I see you on screens. We celebrate.
Yeah.
But celebrate. No, my brother, I'm happy for you, because you know what? The last time me and you we met on another production whereby they shoot.
Tell me about it.
Okay. How many years back is that?
Yeah, that was a long time. I think around 2016, 17.
Yeah, probably. Probably
2017. Yeah, 2017.
And then you've grown, you even gained weight. I get a matter of Yeah, wow.
Yeah, no, Manesh, thank you so much for having me. It's a pleasure, to get a chance to interview my platform. Yeah, just big up to you as well, and the team for putting a platform like this. It's really humbling. And making it in. Yeah.
No, it's all about it's. You know what I always tell people, Mabati, I'm push. It's not me. It's God. It's the ancestors that are behind us. It's God leading us. We are just in between. We've been guided both sides. So we cannot take credit of everything that you do. For instance, Serious Edge. You don't need to take credit over your own job. No, it's God.
Yeah.
You wouldn't do it if God didn't allow it. You wouldn't do it if I'm not. But that's not spiritual. Please introduce yourself to everyone that is watching.
Oh, okay. Greetings to everyone Obugele, the show. Yeah, okay, it's always hard to introduce yourself. So, Minika Madam Musfundo, all the way from KZN, MCing. I'm an actor, I'm a musician, I'm a brand ambassador for a clothing brand called Typical Zulu, of which I happen to be owner of that brand as well. So yeah, there's nothing much to say about me, because whatever I do, it's always gonna be on screen. So whenever I do something new, it's reborn. Definitely, it's reborn. Yeah, but I've been in the game for not too long, because I started in 2015, and then I happened to get a role on a short film called Umkhulu on 161.
Okay.
Yeah, and
Umkhulu, it's a
short film.
It's a short film or it's a movie?
Yeah, it's a short film, like a movie. Those Zanzibar is called movies.
Oh, okay. No,
yeah.
I see.
Yeah, so there I play a hobo. It was my first role, so it wasn't easy. But yeah, I managed and people loved it. So I think I've gained a lot of fans from there.
Okay.
And then Ngenza Manye for the channel. Yeah, well, I think for that channel I have about like 8 short
Movies.
films. Yeah, on that channel.
Wow.
And then 2017, I got a chance to play a detective on what's this show? Gold Diggers.
Okay.
Yeah, I was on Gold Diggers. Same year, I also went to do a role called Umatatazela on Rhythm City. And same year, 2017, I did a radio drama for Izulu Mzansi.
Okay.
It's a radio station from KZN.
Nice.
We were pushing in our UKC. So there was a show about the ESCOM.
Okay.
So we were trying to educate people on how to, behave around in UKC, not to sifundisa abantu, to benze izinto zami, what is it called? Yabona zonke lezi zinto ubungozi bazo ukuthi if wenza lo msebenzi lo ekugcineni ungagcina ubhaliseka kanjani yabo. So yeah, it was a lovely show. I mean, I enjoyed doing that show, and from there I did the show, the advert for SABC2, sorry to mention. Yeah, but it was just an advert that played for like 3 months, where we were introducing new shows for the channel. And then from there, I went to do just for I know I can't remember
catalog.
Yeah, I know I can't remember everything, but yeah, recently in 2020 when COVID hit, I was lucky to get a role on Gomorrah. So I was playing a character called New Guy. But yeah, it happened that I died on the show. Same year. So I'm no longer there. But yeah, it was also a great experience for me, to grow as an actor and get to be in those kind of bigger platforms. So yeah, but recently I'm on a show called Ispinise. Yeah, it's a drama series for the channel TZ.
You know what? I'm so inspired and impressed. From the time that we met to now, look at where we are.
Yeah.
Both of us. Look at where we are. But does it, Van? You've pushed. You've mentioned a catalog whereby in Van, ilang catalog. Gasho it doesn't. Press. But doesn't. I'm so happy, my brother. I've seen the Instagram yako. It's rising. It's growing. So all I can say is, Mfana, we push. Yes, Buffet, I hope in him model phone. He's the main man, he's really catalog kiashis. But does it? I see Bambe Ganjalo fit out Stigator, Sislon. See you just after the break. Welcome back from the break, Buffet. You're still watching a lovely show called Ring a Cow. And this is your boy B Umfanaga Boy Since. Yes, Sipete and Fundo is gonna be telling us more and more. I hope in his really catalog push on foot. We are pusher on foot. No lie. Like I always said on my show is hard work beats talent. You can be talented, but if you're not working hard, you will stay being talented. But nevertheless, as in, Sifundo Mfowethu.
So my brother.
It's really catalog yakho mfana kithi.
Yeah.
Catalog. Ukhwaye. Yazi makuthiwa ushange catalog ende mfana engaka.
Yazi.
Engaka.
Yeah too, sanami ngizama ngibala ezinye ngiyazikhohlwa. Like ishow nje enye bengisanda ukuyenza. I think I did it last year.
Yeah.
It's very close to my heart layer. It's a short film now. Yeah, like Lizzie,
Okay.
It's called Iphela Lasefoslo.
Oh.
So I always tell my friends, I wanna do something that's close to who I am. Yeah. So always wanted to do a role eganjalo, and then it happened to bang approaching a script. So muntu ovela lang vela ko.
I will.
So I'm from Msinga, so we script is phone. I said this guy is from Msinga.
You related,
bruh. I'm like, okay, fine. At least when we pray, Unkulunkulu says, yeah, that's okay. Yeah, this one I have to do. It's just this.
You have to kill it, nail it.
Naranja, you know.
Should be shine on my punchline.
We made a promise. But yeah, no, we did that show last year, and it did well also in terms of viewership on the channel.
Yeah.
It's called Iphela Lasefoslo. It's still playing. Now catch up and I'm very happy ngayo. I was doing that show also Mishuta in the current one is Pinisel.
Oh,
so
yeah.
I was
so busy, not
really, this fantasy but for the fact that we have something to talk about, it shows ukuthi, you know,
Yeah.
asleep in jail.
Progress.
You understand the progress. At the end of the day, kumele ukuthi kube na something that oyenza mawuvuke ekuseni, you know, ukuthi if I'm not pushing E18, at least I have something else that I can do, of which is brand, as I told you, which I'm pushing a brand called Typical Zone. So I've dressed a lot of celebrities, you know, my colleagues and all that. So it's kind of it's not really doing well, but it's better than nothing. Yeah, but we growing. Daily we're growing. Yeah.
So let's let the topic of the day is going to be the hardship of a creative. Bonzini sisifaceayo mfana. Kule craft. Sifoster senze izinto kunganamali mara sisazifoster sisaziyenza. So but before sithetha kule topic, let's talk more about your acting career. I've seen your Instagram. I see you've got followers, you've got numbers. And what I've liked about your Instagram, most of the people bathanda poster ithombe baflash, clean. So what I've noticed when ushaya ithombe ezithu, post isithombe sakho ngathi uyihope.
Yeah.
Ne umuntu uzokudelela makakubona. Awuyageza mfana usulu uthi post isithombe so sulile. What's the motto behind that?
When we were introduced to social media, abantu abaningi bayibuke social media as platform of flex and all that.
Yeah.
So mina mangihleli ngiqala ukudownloada this about my Instagram, WhatsApp and my Facebook, I was like, no, I think this is where I should put my stuff, my work. So I use the social media as a CV. So obviously at some point I'll post my pictures, but I don't write anything.
Okay,
yeah,
just post plain.
I just post. I might put the caption, but there's no way I was told corner maybe saying pala in Kulumu because I'm trying to avoid izinto engizothi manje ngikhuluma manje affect after this card, you understand? Because ngikhuluma into right manje, but angazi bazo-interpret kanjani after 3 years, 4 years from now, yabo. So I always make sure ukuthi into engiyipostayo isithombe sami esiyimi or umsebenzi wami. So if you are ngena ku-Instagram wami, I think uzothola isithombe, thola ama-video, thola isithombe, thola ama-video. It's always like that, yabo.
Okay.
So ndoda, hardships and ndoda, the industry. Yeah.
So angitshele before sithetha kule topic now. We act, ngiyabona uyapusha, you've been all over the screens. Are you pushing yourself to tap into Lama production house or an agency?
I do have an agent.
Okay.
I do have an agent, but I can't sit and relax and wait for my agent to get me respond. You understand? I always push. I always make sure with Manglanga and whatever fun now I will tell you what I do.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
I cannot claim good when we are.
Yeah.
It might happen which you know my work, but when I come to you I have to present myself. You understand? And like, okay, so this is what I do. If you don't have time, please at least tata Instagram and then you go check my work. Yeah. You see everything that I do. Because Tina I'm a creative. I seen a CV.
CV profile. We
understand. I seen a CV. In fact, that's the only thing I do.
You know, I always tell abantu the power of social media, especially as a creative. Uthola abantu baposta ngama-cigarette, ngenzango, nangama-beer. Bayashuta baziposta that idea. And most of the people, okay, I know normal people they do that. People that are public figures abayenzi, but some of them they do it. Angazi ukuthi aware ukuthi if ngithatha isithombe ngiyaziposta ngama-beer. Ngafetha i-career yami because the sponsors that are watching i-catalog yami.
Yeah, I think one of my brother problem when you don't know what you are a brand and you are a business as a creative, because as a mundo actor, I'm not just an actor. Yeah. I am a business.
That's why I'm saying you are a public figure.
I'm a public figure. Yes. Yeah. So whatever I do, it could affect your business if I don't do drag.
Indeed.
You understand?
Indeed.
So I can't be posting pictures holding Hamapi or posting pictures in Semaklapin. What am I saying to a young kid, Osekase, who's looking up?
Indeed, because they look they're looking up to us because they see us on screen, they're getting inspired. Right now, there's someone who's Semakaya or Begele Show. Turn to Begele Show Yagwaz.
Exactly.
As that role play that you used to play from Lama movie, our same science.
Yeah.
Sharp, I try to show and they're selling a cup, but now, Mabas Ponas combine, they see empowerment.
But oh, kanti labantu bayaspanisana. And bayasibona busy postana namabhili. Ibagadane like that. But asibambe lapho bhuti omdala. To everyone that is watching, I hope you learn. I hope you become educated when it comes to these things. Because you know what? They say knowledge is power. When I always say is education is an attitude. Learning is an attitude. If you've got an attitude to learn, you will learn. But if you have an attitude not to learn, thinking to us, I can also phone about that. But I see Bambelap, as it, I see tap tap, a store, Sabuya buffet to see just after the break.
Ring a cow.
We back from the break buffet to I hope would you enjoying this show because the season is about to be over. Saivala Pelamanj. After a few episodes, Saivala again season 2. We're going big. That's much you go big or go home. That's what we're doing. But nevertheless, I'm still waiting. It's fun. Uro. Yamazan it. More petty with Langana it. Put them down. Ranza.
Yeah. No, for this one, my brother, I have to think Fagis. Yeah, now Kulmang a topic that is very touching. Yeah, it's very touching because we've been.
This topic is one of this topic that we're tapping into, the hardship of being a creative. It's a very sentimental topic, I might say. Why one? We have an expectation from Abanyabantu. Two. There's people that are expecting Wuti just because it's relative. Cinema. But that's not mal. You understand? It's nemali yomoya.
Exactly.
You understand? uNkulunkulu uzosiblessa after ngemali yenyama yasemhlabeni ngithi. That's whereby we have to face these hardship. But now yazi asikhulume ngala hardship, angitshela ngama hardship that you are facing as an artist, as a creative in fact kule industry. And let's asiringe nje mangasabi. Let's talk.
Ngoba ngikutshela mina ngithi yabona wonke umuntu kule industry unama challenges akhe.
Yeah.
But ekugcineni akhona ama challenges that are common. We've been working for free.
We've been, my brother.
You know, in the name of exposure.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And then masahamba isikhathi then you realize ukuthi I mean the exposure but it doesn't pay my bills. You understand? The exposure sengilaphayana anginamali imali sele ngemumva. Abantu they're expecting me to be driving a certain car, they expect me to be always in an Uber or whatever. You understand? They don't know ukuthi kwenzakalani behind closed doors. Because in the corner mfethu ngizoza kuwe ngiyakutshela mfethu ngishayekile ngicela isipana. And then when I bone opportunity ukuthi yazi ithi ngimnotho ngizomsebenzisa ngimguide 300. And then le 300 the minute ngiphume emnyango wakho iphelile. You understand?
Yeah.
And after 6 months ispan siyadlala and abantu ba expect ukuthi mina kumele ngibe nemali ngaleso sikhathi. Because another thing abantu abangayazi ukuthi singashootha manje like we're shooting this interview now.
Yeah.
But it's not going to play tonight.
Yeah, ayidlali manje. Ayidlala mfethu it's pre-recorded.
Yes.
Sizodlala when the channel puts it ngeslot sakhona uyodlala nina.
Uyabona?
It comes back to that thing ishila ama expectation.
Yeah, my expectations bro ayasibulala but kakhulu futhi. Yabo I wish at some makambi isikhathi abantu ngathi benga understand ukuthi ama artists they are human as well.
Yeah.
Yabo they go through a lot and we've seen kakhulu manje ngeCovid ukuthi abantu ama artists amaningi are depressed.
Ngisathi ngithi ngifuna ukungena lapho.
Yabo.
Ama artists abaya bayazibulala. Umuntu onormal ongasi public figure uyambona this guy angifuni ukumention amagama simention.
Yeah, no.
Uyambona this guy uzibulele. Then uthi Sifundo wayazibulele ofuthi usifundo grade relative umnani. They don't know the pressure that we're facing. The expectation the ukuthi sideceive by abantu esibancanywayo. Ukuthi sibayeziswe by abantu like you said ubani uzothatha opportunity, athatha advantage, ayisipakise opportunity for yena. Because ubhekene uthi awusifundo amanje usifundo relative. Yazi mangathatha usifundo ngimenzeni ngimfake la into enzami nyaweni. Athole le 2 rand yakhe. Akagayina neshilling. You understand?
Na inkinga mfethu because manje as understanding noma sikhala asilaleli because abantu abafuna ukusilalela because they have the mentality ukuthi thina si lento abafisa ukuba yiyo and then they forget ukuthi ngale kwe-TV khona usifundo and usifundo unefamily usifundo unabantwana. We understand? So nami mangabe nginenkinga zami I don't expect omunye umuntu ukuthi athathe inkinga zami ebone as ijoke.
Indeed.
You understand?
Speaking on what you saying, Obonile Orkant, we're not going to mention name. Leamchitu Shalom Chitengempam. Now it's a trending joke now. It's literally it's a trending joke. Abantu they making fun out of it. You see people about creative, abantu embumusha graphic designing or design amapopai. Then by designer guy, why banga design amapopai wabo? As we think into zabo.
I think we still have a long way to go with as a country.
Yeah.
Or industry, especially Tina, ngizokhulumela kakhulu ama-8 asinama royalties.
Yeah.
You understand? Ngoba ngitshela ukuthi I have almost 10 shows that are playing on the channel. Every day mabe wadlala. I don't get anything.
Mara ngithi nina, I think ama royalties when spanner with commissioning and licensing.
Yeah. So it's like i-channel yawuthenga umsebenzi. Why? Ukuthi bawudlala kangaki.
It doesn't matter.
It's none of my business. You understand? If mina banginikeza 300, which means I have 300.
That's it.
The rest of whatever is cut up of ukudlala ngazo. You understand? If bangidlala ka-10 a day, I don't get a cent.
But mina yazi ngathini wena sifunda. I think it's a gap, it's a proper gap. Remember, when there's a gap, you fill the gap. When there's a gap.
But that, okay.
Hear me out. Okay, good.
So good cut. But me feel like a gap if mina I'm ripped off.
Hear me out. That's why I need to. When there's a gap, you feel a gap. Remember, you guys are now trapped in the 21st century. That's why I think they're phambili. But in to figure phambili, women was to suka.
Yeah, sure.
So right now there's online TVs. I get. It's costly on my bicycle. It's costly on my cassette.
Yeah.
So if you guys as I'm act, for instance, we act. You find someone. You find a production house, maybe a grand agent asazam. You strike a nice deal in the production house. Then you shoot them a move away. Nienza ama DVD. Nyatengisa nenza ama bioscope. You could focus on making money out of that instead of you focusing on only the lump sum, the salary that you're gonna get paid from the channel. So I feel like even you guys are comfortable on where you at.
But who's gonna buy it?
There's a lot of people that buy it.
Because
Bega's food. Umadlu Putu made it big.
Yeah,
DVD.
Sure. Yeah.
You understand? He's still even big now, but now he made it big now DVD all on a simple formula. Ama chances umaskandi. Not today, but sense ama city.
But the problem, you know, is the problem I see it in my head. The problem with Tina as a actor, sisetshenziswa as a tools ukhanda imali.
That's why I need to. If you statements, you guys are comfortable at this position that you are in. You're comfortable. So if you come out of your comfort zone, that's where that's where boxing. Manga pome boxing uzo notice with the box.
Sure.
I man, I see box is second. I had rectangle because you're outside of the box. But once you're inside of the box, uzo tawa makon. So the point is when as an actor. Agents, sharp agents, job. Don't wait for an opportunity. Create an opportunity for yourself so that the opportunity that you're waiting for, it's an opportunity. Let's recreate it. You understand?
Yeah.
You understand? So now you make your own movies. Why? Why in Shoganji? When also for the that's a fact. So I'm a move on you move on 76. So when you show you go to where or can't tell the script right. Uhlale phansi nescript yakhe usitshele ukuthi mfo ngicela ukuthi ungibhalele mina imovie mina ngifuna ukuba star sam leyo movie then uthi then kanjalo you building a name out of yourself because we already familiar with you at TV
sure yeah.
But now masoqala wenza ama movie wakho wena uyi-one uyi-actor uyi-one you become big so if you check it out uyamchita la no he's trending.
Yeah,
he's relevant. Why relevant? Ngelingo yakhe usestere lo beka actor na utsotufa overseas ungena ukubule board.
Yeah, sure.
It's because they've created an opportunity for themselves. So now as I'm going to keep up. That's why I need you guys are trapped in the 21st century. So you guys are comfortable for online. You guys are comfortable about YouTube. You guys are comfortable over stuff that's only coming in now. But forgetting what happened before this stuff comes in.
Yeah.
Our second up by score.
No, yeah.
You understand? So you should be making money out of those things. Right now, you can't find out your contract. You advice. You understand? So in a way, you create an opportunity for yourself. You make a move to really score. You understand? You
yeah.
Then from that we are motivated.
I think it makes sense what you're saying right now, Yabo. It makes sense and it's something that we need to remind ourselves of, Yabo. Before
Indeed.
Yeah, it does make sense. But it might sound easy, but at the same time we know it's not easy.
It's not.
And we know exactly it's possible.
Yes.
You understand? It's possible. But now, me now as an actor, I have my preferences now as an actor. It's okay. For isikhathi esingaka, this is what I want to focus on. From La, this is what I want to move to. You understand? This is what I want to move to. From La, you understand? Because I don't want to lose myself on the way.
Indeed.
Do you understand?
Indeed.
I don't want to find myself doing this, doing that, and doing that. So that's why I always say, at least if we can create a team whereby we grow together, understand? If I know you're a script writer and I'm an actor and I'm not good at when's in the script, okay, let me at least tell you when Nixon is a woman, and then see by the team Nanjalo. We have my brother on the camera, and then he's a camera operator, so he can do it camera, you understand? So Manga is about 3. That's when I can at least tell you, okay, more about the script of Palaganja. You understand? I avoid I can write the script, the script, only to find that the script is rejected. And then when they reject my script, the script is then there's a pulumoy. And then now I think I'm not a good script writer. I didn't get guidance right in terms of scripting. I can also write.
Yeah, no, true.
So it goes back to the DMs and inboxes that we get on Facebook. You understand? At the same time, my camera also keep a picture. You understand? So it's easy that we learn along the way. Okay, it doesn't mean that you're not good enough. It's just that you're just wrong. You send out wrong is wrong. You understand? But the other needs to shape you to a better person. You know, understand? So that when you move on, at least you move on. The spirit is right. We've got a lot of things we have. Okay, man, sharp. Relaxing, I can do this. Yeah, but so from 2015, it's not like I don't want to be in those big shows. It's not like I'm still with them. You understand? When I'm studying now, I'm buying it, man, in the Shoprite. In the Shoprite, I'm buying Shoprite, but from shooter now, and then you know, I feel that's going to be 8 times. So who is we passed because I was angry as a landing king as I said in that. So
I was saying is abantu abafuna ukuthola nje igame ukuthi bazokuthola social media number wakho abatshele mfethu.
On social media, Facebook, Sifundo Dlala with UI. I know I'm lying. Facebook, it's Sifundo Dlala ongena UI, and then given a page on Facebook, Sifundo Dlala with UI man, Sifundo Dlala _SA, and then on Instagram as well, it's Sifundo Dlala _SA. Unfortunately, I'm not on Twitter. I don't have a TikTok as well. Yeah, I do have a WhatsApp. It's just that I don't have a number. SIM card thing now, party WhatsApp. So I'm told I got WhatsApp.
Okay,
yeah.
For isikhathi sakho nethuba lelo sikhaya lona ukuthi azini ufike educate abanye abantwana sikhulume ngale nto le. So bafethu, to everyone that is watching, I hope you heard, I hope you learned ayisringile. Yazi makuthiwa ringa kawu nabo bo ringa kawu bayaringa. So stay tuned bafethu, and then we'll see you just after the break.
Ringa kawu.
Welcome back, bafethu. I hope you really enjoyed the lovely show called Ringa Kawu. And this is your boy B Umfana Boy Since. You heard of it, you heard Sifundo Dlala. He's been unpacking and explaining the hardship of being the part of the industry. Ujazi, it's not easy. Like I always say, hard work beats talent. But nevertheless, bafethu, so this is episode 11 from season 1. We almost done with the season, bafethu. We almost done with the season. 13 episodes we done, but nevertheless, you know, so see you guys next week. But before that, if you want us to come to your place to come engage with you, here's the number on the screen: 063 514 1764. So I number 063 514 1764, and there's a number whereby you can engage with us if you want to see the or which is of engagement. Schoolmen, I was saying, but you can like our Facebook page only on Ringa Kawu,
Instagram, Ringakao. Even in Twitter bafethu, you can just tweet to check out my tweet wethu. It's on Ringakao. So I'll take it to Chichi, Nyamalale bafethu. I'll see you again, same time, same place. Uyazi. This is your boy P, Mfanaga Boys. Adios.